You saw that? You weren't supposed to see that. Jesus. Stupid RC skid plate skull edition to keep the chassis fresh. Over 33 inches long and 19 inches wide. And topping the scales at over 32 pounds. And this is the Losi DBXL 2.0 electric edition. And when compared to a Creighton 8S, there's an obvious size difference. The Losi DBXL is bigger in every way. Plus, I put the 2-inch extenders on each corner, making it wide as a Creighton. Okay, guys, this thing is super supple. All 4 corners coil-over oil-filled shocks. Fox logo. We also had this beautiful red body that opens like this. You have 2 hinge pins to keep the body on at all times. You have fully functional headlight. You don't have to disconnect it. You have a smart ESC, 160 amp, 780 kV motor. We have a heatsink, dual fans that we added. We upgraded from a 17 to a 22 tooth pinion, making this thing a little bit faster. Added a second steering servo to make it a little stronger. To make it a little more rigid, we added a top plate, front and rear chassis braces, all metal from the Losi website to give it stability on the ground. We added 2 inches to each corner with the DGI wheel extension hubs. And we also added these beefy wheels from Badlands. So we're going to get this car out on the road and speed test it, let you know how it does, bash it in this video. Start, see what we get. See that thing getting squirrely? Them front wheels ballooning nice. Those are the Badlands MX 57s. They will balloon though. Look. Yeah, you can see it. You see it? Stop, read, 53 miles an hour. It's not bad for off the box with 1 pinion change. Now let's get this thing on the dirt, see what it really does. So I love the new additions. The double servo, you can see how fast that daggone servo is steering. We got over 50 miles an hour. I've seen other guys get like 47, 46 miles an hour. All we did was added a bigger pinion to get us over 50. So we love the speed on it. The bigger wheel track, 2 inches on each side, gives us great stability so we won't have any traction rolls. And yeah, man, the car performed well. I enjoyed it. I hope you liked the video. If you haven't already, like, subscribe, hit your notifications, leave me a message in the comment section. Let me know what you want to see next. And do me a favor, tell a friend to tell a friend. From 57. Peace. So you see the stability is pretty good because we got the 2-inch extenders on there. It's staying on the ground nice. So I'm very happy with those 2-inch extenders. Very happy.